Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Make and Take craft. Today we are making these little 4th of July themed necklaces using red, white, and blue beads. All you'll need today is a piece of string and the beads, so not very much today. If you stick around to the end of the video, I will give you your summer reading event code. Yeah, so we'll just get started. I've already made one and I'm wearing it, but I'll make another to kind of show you how I did it the first time. Probably most people know how to do this, but I'm happy to show you. And it's always fun doing crafts together. Okay, so you could do this any way you want. You have a lot of freedom. You can start like this, and then be really careful not to lose the beads, or you can kind of make a knot at the end so you don't lose the beads, which I think is what I will do. You have to knot it kind of a few times. Okay. There's no, you can do it however you want. Let's do one more. It's always kind of hard to know how many knots you need. You don't have to do it in the same order. You could do it however you want, but I'm gonna just do red, white, and blue. Also, if you feel like your string is not long enough for what you want, you can make a bracelet, or if you prefer to wear a bracelet, that's totally fine too. Okay, I'm gonna stop here and see what it looks like. Alright, now I'm going to tie my ends together because I think this is good. It'll be a good length. So double knot it at least, and then cut the ends off. Ta-da! Ooh, that looks cool. Now I have two. All right, so let me give you your summer reading event code. It's Kids Creations. KIDSCREATIONS. Kids Creations. Bye. We'll see you next week.